Okay, so we have this 2D array, okay, and we now are able to access all the elements in the 2D array, okay, using this nested for loop. So just remember, for the nested for loop, we need two separate counters, I and j. So for the outer loop, number of rows, inner loop, number of columns. Okay, now what if I wanted to just print out, for example, a particular row or a particular column? Okay, so if I wanted to print out a particular row, alright, I fix the row number and go through all the columns. If I want to print out a particular column, alright, I fix the column number and go through all the rows. Okay, so let me show you what I mean. So this is of course printing out all the data, and let's say now we say print row 1. Okay, so let's do this. So I'm going to print out row 1. So to print out row 1, so this is row 0, row 1. So I want to print out 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so I'll just have a loop, just a single loop. I equals to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay, so see out the data. So since I'm fixing the row, so I'm going to put row as 1, sorry, the data 1, and the column will be the I. Okay, again I will just put the comma here so that's easier to see. Okay, so what am I doing? I am fixing the row index as 1. So this is index 0, this is index 1. Okay, so I'm fixing the row index as 1, and I'm only going through the column because only the column index is being changed by the loop count. Okay, so I'll print out row 1, column 0, row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, and so on. Okay, so let's do this. So you can see that when I say print row 1, I'm only printing the row 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now the same concept applies to columns. Okay, I want to print a particular column, so let's say see out print column, let's say column 3. Okay, column 3. So column 3 would be the, so this is column 0, 1, 2, 3. So it will be 4, 9, and 14. Okay, 4, 9, and 14. So what I need to do, I do the same thing. So I say for I equals to 0, I less than 3, I plus plus. Okay, so when I printing out a particular column, I only need to go through all the rows, correct? So since I only have 3 rows, the loop count is only 3. So see out, so the same concept, data, but I now need to fix the column value. So the column is 3, okay, and the index that keeps changing is the row index. Okay, so I will do a NL after each print so that it looks in a the display is in a column format. Okay, so let's run this and see. Okay, so you can see that when I print row 1 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. When I print column 3 is 4, 9, and 14. Okay, so just remember, when I want to print a particular row, I fix the row number and go through the column index. When I want to print a particular column, I fix the column index and go through all the rows. Okay, so that is the concept that you must be clear when we are trying to access any particular row or column in the 2D array. For a row, fix the row and go through the column. For the column, fix the column and go through the rows. Okay, so have some practice and you can see how you can do this quite easily in your program. Alright, thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.